Hello, I'm Shamir from India. And you know what I do? Business. You know business? I don't know what's business, but I know it's good. Yeah. Sell everything. 5, 6, 5%, 6% down. Yes. 6% down. 6% down. I'll sell you something. You want this cup? For $5. You can drink on it. You can fill up with Coke. You can fill up everything you want it. No, you don't want it? Okay. You want this one? It's a very good thing. Here's a ground. You see it? You can pour it outlet. You can pour it anything you want. No? Nothing? Okay. How about this one? An adapter? No? Not adapter? Okay. If you want anything, just call me. 1-800 Shamal. Okay? Okay. Bye bye.